Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the oil service reminder on a Volkswagen using a diagnostic scanner. This procedure works on many VW models, but always check your vehicle specifications before performing the reset. Select the special function in Engine section. Click Oil Maintenance Reset. Auto Reset. If not, erased oil light make second method this. Turn the ignition off, wait a few seconds, and then switch it back on. Check the instrument cluster to confirm that the oil service reminder has been cleared. And that's how you reset the oil service light on a Volkswagen using a diagnostic scanner. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more automotive repair and diagnostic tutorials. Thanks for watching.